Good morning, YouTube. Today is one of those magical days on a bus build. Today is spray foam day. Jackson's got a guy coming to spray the whole inside of the bus. I think he's excited.
I am super excited. This has been a moment that I've been looking forward to for probably 2 months. We've had a lot of delays and I'm getting a good deal. It's only $700 for the whole thing, walls and ceiling.
Cool. So what we've done is we 2x4'd the walls, so you're going to get a nice thickness here. It's going to be a little thinner up here where the windows are. Got nailers in the roof for the ceiling, and we boxed out around the wheel wells. This is going to be where his toilet is in the bathroom, so that's why there's a little extra support. Get them to spray that and deaden it. And we did the same thing, kind of ideal up here is he's going to have speakers on either side, and we needed a nailer up here for the plywood, so we put that in. So today, like I said, it's going to be an exciting day. Once we get that up, walls can go up. We built the framework for the couches yesterday, so they'll be able to come in as soon as we can get in here. We'll be able to put the walls up, slide those in. We'll do the ceiling. Well, I'll do the ceiling first. So now, when the spray foam guys get here, I'll show you some of that process. So this is the second day, and Jackson and I are both still excited about foam.
Yeah, well, I don't know if you told them, but
no, it was a no-show yesterday.
No show in the morning. He said he was going to reschedule in the afternoon. No show. Right. He says he's going to show up at 8 o'clock a.m. It's 8:03.
Yeah. So we're hopeful, but then again, maybe we're just that kind of people. So hopefully, we're going to spray foam this bus today, or get it spray foamed. Okay, so we gave the guys a hand masking this all off and getting ready to mask off the floor and spray. And the noise in the background is the generator running for their to run their pumps and such. It's this spray comes out, telling us it's 140 degrees, so we're gonna they're going to spray it. We're helping them do the masking, and we're going to cut. When they're done, cut off all the high spots, and saves them a little bit of money. We get a little bit more foam. So in the long run, hey, work with people, you can get a good deal. So in a minute, we'll show you them doing the spray.
You can tell this guy's a pro.
Yeah, I'll get a better shot as he gets closer, but get an idea of. Organic vapor mask. You're going to go anywhere near this stuff when they're spraying. But that's how fast that expands out. And I think we got to give it a couple hours. We're going to check with the guys when it's going to be safe for us to cut. This is one happy man.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming, so just happy it's done.
Yep.
Doing it the real quality way here.
Okay, so he's all done spraying, and we're going to give this 4 hours. It took him about a half an hour to spray the whole bus. He's got like 6 inches of foam up in the front, and 3.5 along the walls. We're going to give it about 4 hours, let it dry, and then we can cut off any of the high spots and 72 hours this will all be cured nice and hard.
That thing, here we go. Okay, so here's what happened. Let's talk money, right? Because you guys are probably wondering how much does it cost. I should probably just get the the stuff at Home Depot because it's going to be easier. I'll do it myself.
Well, my Home Depot kit, or I bought it online, was $600.
Yeah. So let's say all of them are $600 at Home Depot. We just had the pros come in for $700. Okay. They have better stuff. They're way better at spraying. I'm sure you could agree with that.
Yeah.
But would I want to spray versus some guy with 14 years experience? No, because we're going to have a lot less to cut. So we were talking about some of the labor and the cost and all this stuff, and I said, just put all the foam you can, we'll cut it, because I got more time than I got money. So that's what we're going to do this afternoon.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you said square footage wise, well, the minimum was 700.
Oh, for this particular company, they do a flat fee, 700. So if you have a little tiny van or a big bus, it's 700, right? So when he was doing the math, I was thinking to myself, uh-oh, because they asked for a little bit more on the top and the back caps on the, next to the ceiling, and the sides, that was like 4 inches of insulation times 7. That's really high R value for a bus. He gets up with a big smile on his face. He's like, oh, yeah, it worked out, 700. So if you have a full-size one and you ask for a little bit more, of course it might cost you a little bit more than this.
Yeah, my bus is 5 feet longer than yours, so...
Yeah, I mean, is it worth it? I think so. Mine is a mid-size, 9 windows. So he doubled up some spots and it came out to 700, and I think that's a killer deal.
Yep.
So I would have had to buy 2 kits from Home Depot and used about 1.5 of the foam. That's $1,200. I just saved 500 this way.
Yep. And we get the fun of cutting it.
Yay!
So as you can see, we're trimming it down. I think the consensus is the guys who do this for a living are probably underpaid.
Yeah, whatever the insulation costs, like this is a hard career path, so they've definitely earned their money.
Although I believe they've got like 3-foot Sawzall blades. But so pretty close to having this ready to be putting walls up, putting ceiling up. After we clean up this god-awful mess, get ourselves cleaned up. So I'm going to leave that, leave off on this one, and we'll show you probably walls and ceiling next.